there's something very strange going on in the Pacific Northwest. And Dr. Andrew Treitz and his team are heading out to uncover clues in one of the greatest unsolved marine mysteries.
You see which animal it is?
In the past 30 years, the Steller sea lion populations of the Aleutian Islands in western Alaska have all but disappeared. Yet further to the south, in southeastern Alaska and British Columbia, Steller sea lion populations are steadily increasing.
We want to know why. Why are these ones doing so well and why are the ones up there doing so poorly? And we think there may be some clues. If we can understand what makes a population healthy, maybe then we can figure out what's missing from the declining population.
Dr. Andrew Treitz is the director of the University of British Columbia's Marine Mammal Research Unit. He and his team are on an annual Steller sea lion survey trip from British Columbia to southeast Alaska. Along the way, they're counting the number of Steller sea lions they see.
And that passed by 535 on that.
The sea lions gather for a rest in areas called haulouts. They visit these same rocks year after year, making it easy for Andrew and his team to find them. But sea lion numbers aren't the only thing they're here to collect.
Well, we're picking up scat.
At this site, the team has come ashore to collect sea lion feces called scat.
So this just here is one of the largest scats that you kind of would find on a haul out. This one was a good one. It's easy and big and easy to put in the bag. So.
Well, the tools are pretty simple. We've got a spoon, your average kitchen spoon, and a series of bags. So we keep a nice clean seal afterwards. We'll fill the bag, seal them up, and we'll put them into our freezer, and then take them back to our lab for cleaning.
Not an overly pleasant smell.
I think it smells like dried apricots.
By collecting scat samples, the team can determine what exactly these sea lions are eating. Dr. Treitz believes that the disappearance of the Alaskan sea lions has something to do with their diet.
So here's a nice one. One of our leading hypotheses has been that there's a difference in diet. The reason why these ones do so well is they eat these oily, rich fishes. And the ones further up in Alaska declining are eating the lean fishes, the white fish, things like codfish and pollock. So that's been a lot of the focus, is to try to test that hypothesis by actually determining what it is in fact that the animals are eating in the different areas.
Like in many parts of the world's oceans, climate impacts the abundance of fish and other marine animals. These climate-driven changes may alter the Steller sea lion's diet, causing a boom in some places and a rapid crash in places like Alaska.
In some ways, like being a canary in a coal mine, that we see a decline in sea lions, it tells us something major has happened in the ecosystem. And it's up to us to piece it together to figure out what is it that's changed. Because at the end of the day, this is what we want to protect and conserve for future generations.
The clues are piling up, and the team doesn't want to keep the sea lions from their haul-out for too long.
We've picked up 75 samples, so we're going to be able to reconstruct their diet. We've got a count. We'll be able to compare to see if this area is still increasing or not. So we've got all the pieces we came for, and now we're off to the next site.
For now, Dr. Treitz and his team have done all they can. They're 75 samples closer to solving this mystery. Meanwhile, the Alaskan Steller sea lions are busy feeding. We can only hope they're eating the right things. For UBC's Marine Mammal Research Unit, I'm Simon Schneider.